Hello all, my name is Sarah Morell and I am currently a senior in the traditional BSN program here at Methodist. I was born in Lincoln, Nebraska, and I spent the first part of my childhood growing up in Weeping Water, Nebraska. That's just 30 minutes south of Omaha. I moved to Omaha when I was 10 for educational opportunities. I had my first son in 2008, and his father and I were married a year later. I soon joined the Army after that as a combat medic and spent 5 years in the service. When I got out, I started nursing prereqs at UNO, and somewhere along the line I fell in love with sociology and was able to earn a BHAS concentrating in sociology in August of 16. I then started the ACE program here at Methodist in January of 17, and I anticipate graduating this August. My dream in nursing is to become a certified nurse midwife and hopefully one day have my own freestanding birthing center. A leader I admire is Princess Diana. She was the people's princess, and the key to her greatness was how she was viewed as a servant leader. Her practices enriched the lives of others and created a more caring world. She had some leadership qualities. Listening. She listened to her people and heard their cries. She had empathy and was consistently worried of others' welfare. And healing was another one. She wanted to bring wholeness into people's lives. Princess Diana herself was surprisingly honest with her own struggles of bulimia and suicide, and that gave others that were dealing with similar issues strength to be open and honest as well. She utilized her platform in the media and brought attention to the forgotten people of the world and their needs. She contributed to numerous charities and stayed committed to helping others. She was also a very devoted mother, and she proved that with her determination in raising her sons herself. And finally, let's be honest, her style was fabulous. Thank you for taking the time to listen and get to know me a little better. Have a great day.